Oh, way to go. Kim Possible from the Outside Janelle's episode about to be on the Federal Side Salt Provider. It's now Salt Provider Janelle's episode about to be is racing third by Sam Tulan's Kim Possible. Rushing up is super elegant. And on the outside is Boss Pokey, the goose favorite, save our Queen Paragood's order, lover of all and live in Manila is running at the tail of the field to a sole provider by Sam Tulan's Janelle's episode about to be racing in third from the outside as they race the last 250 sole provider Janelle's episode about to be on the outside super elegant sole provider followed by Janelle's episode about to be on the outside and nearing the finish line to a sole provider second about to be Janelle's episode super elegant and for your Fanta Fecta number 5 para goods order.